tap the plus button on the bottom of your screen. Tap Scan Food, scan the package barcode. The camera will capture the barcode automatically, but it works best in a well-lit area with no obstructions or creases in the barcode. If you are having trouble scanning, try manually entering the barcode on the bottom of the screen. Once the barcode is scanned, you will be directed to the food listing where you can enter your serving size, then tap Add to Diary. If the scanned barcode does not already have an entry in our database, Cronometer will prompt you to create a custom food by taking a photo of the nutrition label and packaging. The entry will be saved to your custom foods for use right away and will be sent to our curation team for review before being added to our public CRDB database.